Hi folks, in the last lecture we saw that character is unsigned. So in binary integers there are two types of values, signed and unsigned. For the unsigned value, all the bits are known as value bits, and for the signed integer, the leftmost bit is known as signed bit and the rest of the bits are known as value bits. So consider the example. Just as we can write 362 in the form of 3 into 10 to the power 2 plus 6 into 10 to the power 1 plus 2 into 10 to the power 0. Similarly, we can write any binary integer in the same form, just replacing 10 with 2 because binary is of base 2. So 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0. Solving this, we will get 4 plus 2 plus 0, that is 6. So unsigned 110 equals to 6 in decimal form. On the other hand, signed numbers contain sign flag. This representation distinguishes positive and negative numbers. This technique contains both sign bit and magnitude of a number. For example, in representation of negative decimal numbers, we need to put a negative symbol in front of the given decimal number. For n-bit binary number, 1 bit is reserved for a sign symbol. If the value of the sign bit is 0, then the given number will be positive. As if the value of sign bit is 1, then the given number will be negative. Remaining n-1 bits represent the magnitude of the number. Generally, sign bit is a most significant bit of representation. Most significant bit is the leftmost bit of the number. So, in this case 110, the most significant bit or MSB is the leftmost bit, that is 1. So, it is not included in the calculation of the magnitude of the integer. So, this integer in decimal can be represented as 2 to the power 1 into 1 plus 2 to the power 0 into 0. That is 2 plus 0 equal to minus 2. Remember, this minus sign comes from the sign bit, that is 1 here. If the sign bit was 0, then the answer would be plus 2. So, unsigned 110 is equivalent to 6 in decimal and signed 110 is equivalent to minus 2 in decimal. Okay, so I hope you all get this point and thank you.